Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're gonna check out Emily's place today. Because this game is awesome. So I want to support it. Where is this game? Let's actually go to Emily's profile and see his creations. That's how I usually get the thing. Alright. Oh god. Alright. Seaport. Here it is. Let's see if people are playing it. Okay. Alright, nobody's except that guy. If we alright. Lagila. Alright. Ooh, Seaport Coastal Sciences Middle School. Alright. Alrighty, right here. Let's go in his school. Guys, I'm going to leave the Emerald game in the description so you guys can support it. Oh, there goes the floor. I'm like, there's no floor in here. I'm gonna put the game in the description. You guys can check it out and stuff as in. Oh my god. Well, there goes the fire alarm. That scared the crap out of me. Alright, can you stop that fire alarm? Oh my god. Who pulled the fire alarm? But I have admin too. Yeah, I have admin. Who the heck is reverse one? Fire alarm drill, what's that? What the heck? The shout out to classic AlarmTech. Because my rank is a teacher right now too. Let's go and teach some kids some thing. Alright, I have a drawing marker. It's going to the classroom. Okay. No whiteboard! Alright. I guess no whiteboard, no. Alright. In that room, I know there's a whiteboard. I know there's a whiteboard in that room. Let's just get our drawing marker ready. Alright. Oh, this is the hallway. Right, this, yeah, that has. Yeah, this has a whiteboard. Thank you. Drawing marker. Erase. Oh no, draw. Shout out. Whoops. Oh my god. All right. No assignments, no assignments, no assignments at all. No. Get rid of all of that. We're gonna actually get the big whiteboard out. And it was big erase. Yeah. Alright, draw. Shout out. No, I can't even do this. Draw set color. Let's say a no. Let's say a layout. That is not the greatest. This is the greatest of heart. Alright, let's just clear all this. Clear. Oh my god. Erase. Good thing we erased all this. Erase. Alright. Oh wow! Give me. Oh, I got rid of that. Blah, give me all. Not blah. Okay, if this Roblox. Thank you for that. No, I have not. Do I have an eraser and a marker in my hand? Right. Oh, not available. How is he playing then? What the heck? How is he laying, boy? Oh my god. Roblox and newscast. How is it not available and he's playing the game? Alright, I got paid for coming. What the heck? It was Family Feud, but it's Family Matters. Did I even join any game? No. This permission level on this place prevents you from entering. Oh, I know everything. I know everything about your stupid games. Alright. Absolutely done. Alright. Not emergency response, PS. I'm sorry for like not uploading in like 3 a week, I don't know. Cause I was freaking busy doing my school after the winter break. Middle school work. I hate middle school work, it's so hard. Gotta do dividing. Well, I already know dividing, but still. Candy Tycoon, Noob Simulator, 2 players, superheroes, no. Thanos pet suit. Why if you don't get that at the video? I'm gonna end the video here.